Today's a great day to go fishing with thawed out frozen shrimp, is what I thought. But little did I know these shrimp are way past their expiration date, so I guess we're just here to feed the fish. It's not much to throw on the hook. Trust me, I tried. It just disintegrates. So we're gonna just see if they even go for it, and check that out. They already attacking that thing as soon as it hits the water. All right, well, I guess we might as well just keep feeding the fish. I'm here with my young nephew, so might as well have some fun with it. Eventually, we decided to just go ahead and dump it out, and we all know what it looks like. Let's never mind that. But let's see if they even come for it. And a few minutes later, it looks like a battle royale. I guess they do like it. Y'all follow for more content.